going. We're done. We finished. Do you want to see it? Yeah? You gonna jump up? I think he's gonna jump up. You gonna jump up? Come on. You got it. There he is. Oh, there's the Dean. This is a Dean approved drawing, right? Dean said, I approve. I approve. You see what I did? Look. Look, Dean. Oh, he's giving me a kiss. Oh, thank you for the kiss. Look what I made. What do you think about that? Good? Oh, okay, okay. 100% Dean approved. Very good. You're putting your tail in the camera. Okay, that's nice too. Look at that. Oh, he loves it. He loves it so much he's gonna lay on it. All right, that's great. Oh, that's so wonderful. Thank you for your help. Thanks for helping me by laying on it. He said, you're done. All right, Dean. I guess we're done doing some Inktober fest. This is my Inktober drawing. I just have to put my John Hancock on here. Oops. Oh boy. Oh my, I can't see. Oh, excuse me. Can I have a cat in my, oh boy. Jeez. All right, that's sort of neat. I love you, baby. Okay. All right. It's time for breakfast. It's coffee and breakfast time, right? Oh, yes, 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 yes. She's so happy.